Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Klarna to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Klarna provides flexible payment solutions, allowing your customers to pay over time. Before you start, make sure you have an active Klarna merchant account. This integration can significantly boost your sales by offering more payment choices at checkout. It's a straightforward process that we'll walk through step by step. Once in your Shopify admin, go to Settings and then click on Payments. Here, you'll find the option to add payment methods. Search for Klarna and select it. You'll then be prompted to enter your specific Klarna merchant ID and shared secret. These credentials link your Shopify store directly to your Klarna account, enabling seamless transactions. After entering your credentials, it's crucial to test the integration. Place a test order on your Shopify store as if you were a customer. Proceed to checkout and ensure that Klarna is clearly visible as a payment option. Complete the test order to confirm that the transaction processes correctly through Klarna's system. This step ensures everything is working perfectly before going live. With successful testing, you're ready to activate Klarna in your Shopify payment settings. Once live, consider promoting Klarna's flexible payment options on your product pages and at checkout to encourage more sales. Offering Buy Now, Pay Later can significantly improve conversion rates. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. It's a simple way to enhance your customers' shopping experience and your store's appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.